Ano ito?
In a place is shepherd, you get farm. Whatever.
Anong hayop ito?
Kuwan, unanong kabayo. That's what we call the
Ay, bakit nakalabas yung ano? Kambing.
hey guys. Ito, galing ito ng Egypt. Sinasakyan ng mga ano. Hey! What's up? What's up? Hey, yeah. Sutag ko niyo. How are you doing, my friend? Everything is okay? Oh my gosh. My gosh. Okay. Okay, don't worry. You're okay. You're good. What are you doing, Mr. Kuan? Chinito. Where are you going, Chinito?
Anong hayop ito?
Yung sumisinga ata ito eh.